Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Opal-Lite bracelet. Let's begin. You will need 30 centimeter length of copper wire, 1 millimeter thick, and a handful of Opal-Lite glass chips and some little copper beads. Begin to thread your Opal-Lite chips and a copper bead alternately along the copper wire. I have a little tip for you. I always put a tiny little piece of press stick on the end of the one wire. It stops the beads and glass from falling off the wire. When you've finished threading on and you've measured that it's the right length for a bracelet for yourself, then we bend the ends over. Make a little loop at the end and then twirl it around, back around the beads, and finish with a pretty little curl and a flourish. You could at this stage even add extra wire and wrap it back along the design. Now I'm just going to tap that copper loop with my hammer on the anvil to make it flat, flare the wire out, which always looks very nice and much more professional. Bend the other end as well, make another little loop, and again bend the wire tail back on itself and finish with a little loop. Make sure there are no little scratchy bits and that the wire loop is finished off smoothly. Flat nose pliers are very useful to get your wires even. And again, we're just going to flare out that wire on the loops to make it look pretty, shiny, and have some texture. Now to join the ends of the bracelet, we're going to cut 10 centimeters of copper wire, 1 millimeter thick, and bend a pretty little shepherd's hook. So bending a pretty little loop and kink it inwards and a little curl on the end. There's a particular shape to this shepherd's hook and I do love making them. If your wire is too long, then just trim a centimeter or so off the end, and then I've finished it off with a pretty little double curl, quite a tight curl. Bend it in on itself and then wind it up. Once completed, then just flare out the wire. It sets the shape and it makes it look pretty textured and shiny. Now to open up that little flat curl, bend it a little bit sideways and then slide the loop over your loop on the end of the bracelet. This bracelet is simple and yet pretty and effective. It would make a beautiful gift or just something pretty for yourself. Thank you for watching to the end of my video. Take great care of yourselves. You are very special. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.